In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply a Bed Bath and Beyond gift card. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, what we need to do is head on over to Bed Bath and Beyond. And now from here, we need to make a purchase. So go ahead and put something in your cart and then head to the checkout section. So I'll just quickly go ahead and do that now. So I'm just going to scroll down. I'm going to put this coffee machine in my cart. So I'm going to scroll down again. Here it is here. Alright, I'm going to add to cart. Alright, I'm going to add this to the cart. I'm not going to add protection. And now I want to go ahead and view my cart from here. Alright, so this is my shopping cart. I'm going to remove this gift card. And now I want to click on check out. No thank you. And now I need to put in my shipping address and then scroll down under payment options. This is where you can choose to pay or use some of your gift cards. So click on I use a Bed Bath and Beyond gift card. So you want to put in your gift card number and your PIN and click apply. So depending how much you got on your gift card, it will subtract from the total order. So say for example, I've got a gift card that's worth $100 and my total order is $2.99. That's going to bring this down to $1.99. And then you need to pay the rest of the amount via your credit, debit card or Overstock card to complete the purchase.